All right, let's dive into the sources around this new project, Creek. It's been grabbing attention for putting gold onto the blockchain. Our mission today, pretty straightforward. Figure out what Creek actually is, look at its, well, massive valuation, and break down exactly what you need to do on the Sui testnet to get those Aura points.
Yeah, it's interesting. Creek is basically an RWA protocol, right?
Yeah.
Real-world asset. But the core idea is splitting gold's value into different parts you can trade easily. So it's not just digital gold. It's more like breaking gold down so you can use it for yield, for borrowing, making it much more capital efficient than, just holding a bar of gold. That separation is the key thing they're pitching.
And that pitch seems to be working, at least financially. The sources we have mentioned, $100 million raised and a valuation of $1 billion, which feels kind of wild considering it's not even on mainnet yet and has, what, like 25,000 followers on X?
Yeah.
That valuation, it definitely makes you look twice.
It does. $1 billion is, that's extremely high for an RWA project at this stage. Honestly, I'm a bit skeptical. It points to either really serious institutional money behind it, or maybe just a ton of hype. Why gold, right? It's stable. Why does tokenizing it suddenly justify that kind of premium in a, let's face it, potentially more volatile setup? The sources talk efficiency, sure, but you got to ask if that premium is worth the smart contract risk you're adding to a, traditionally safe asset.
Right. That complexity, the high stakes, it means getting in early, or at least understanding it early, seems pretty important. And since this testnet activity is specifically on the Sui network, let's pivot to the how-to. How you can actually get involved and rack up those Aura points. Because for anyone who follows this space, accumulating points like these often signals, well, a potential airdrop down the line. Is that the general vibe here?
Oh, absolutely. That's usually the playbook. The goal isn't just ticking boxes. It's about showing you're really using the protocol, the whole loop, specifically on Sui. That signals you get it, you're an active user.
Okay, so practical steps. First up, setup. You need to be on Sui, obviously. Get a compatible wallet, something like Slush or maybe Phantom.
Either of those should work fine.
And crucially, you need test tokens, not just the standard Sui test tokens from the main faucet, right? You also need this specific XM USDC.
Exactly. You have to get that XM USDC from the Creek faucet itself. It's vital.
Why is that specific one so important?
Because the whole point is to interact with their core token, GUSD, which is their gold-backed thing. You need the XM USDC to swap into GUSD to really start the process.
Gotcha. Okay, so you've got your wallet, got both kinds of test tokens. What's next? The core DeFi stuff.
Right. The priority is demonstrating you understand the whole product lifecycle. So first, swap. You swap that XM USDC for GUSD.
Okay, USDC swap for the gold token, GUSD.
Then you stake it.
Yeah.
Stake the GUSD. Show you're engaging with the yield aspects.
Stake GSD. Makes sense.
But don't stop there. You absolutely have to test the borrowing side too. So borrow another token against your GUSD, maybe borrow some Sui. And this is key, actually. Repay the loan successfully and make sure you can withdraw your collateral.
Okay. So borrow, repay, withdraw proves the whole collateral mechanism works.
Precisely. And finally, hit the redeem function too. Completing that whole sequence, swap, stake, borrow, repay, withdraw, redeem, that shows full engagement. That's likely what they're tracking for points.
Makes sense. Go through the entire life cycle. And don't forget the easier stuff, right? There are also points for basic social tasks.
Yeah, the standard things. Daily check-ins on their site, connect your X account, follow them, join their Discord. All that adds up.
And referrals too, usually. A way to boost your points if you bring others in.
Typically, there's a referral component as well. Worth checking out if you want to maximize things.
Okay, so wrapping this part up.
So yeah, to sum it up, Creek's trying to unlock gold's capital efficiency by tokenizing it into separate parts, and it's all happening on the Sui network right now during this testnet phase. It's an attempt to really change how we use a traditional asset like gold and DeFi.
Which brings up a pretty big question, doesn't it? We're looking at a project valued at $1 billion, focused on splitting up a stable asset like gold into these, easily traded digital pieces. If this model works for gold, what does that really suggest about where RWA protocols are heading overall? Are we moving towards a future where basically no asset value stays intact, but everything gets fractured, leveraged, and traded constantly across different blockchains? Something for you to think about as more and more traditional finance elements find their way on-chain.